we have it. The Jordan 1 Low Court Purple 2020. So here we have it. It's a very nice looking shoe with the same core purple as the Jordan 1 High, the one that came out in this year. We have black panels with the white Nike, white thumb right here with the Jordan Air. And this little tag right here got the 23 in black with a purple tag. White laces. The midsole is also white, and the outsole is core purple. I have to move on because there was too many people on the park, but as I was telling you, the leather on this shoe is the regular leather for a Jordan 1 Low. Nothing to complain about. That's what we get for $90. So by the way, retail on this shoe was $90. I think my girlfriend is going to be pretty happy with this shoe because it looks nice. And I have the Jordan 1 High Core Purple, the 2020 version. So I think we're going to match really good with those shoes on when summertime comes. It's this whole thing that is going on worldwide. I mean, give us a break. So guys, this is going to be everything for this video. It was a short one, but I just wanted to let you see this beautiful shoe in case you didn't know it was out, because it's still right there on the Foot Actions app. So if you like some, you can go there and grab them for retail right now. It's just $90 and you get this beautiful shoe for the summer. So guys, stay tuned, hit the like, thumbs up, please subscribe, leave some comments down below what you feel about the shoe, and as I always say, goodbye.